Good afternoon, students. Welcome back to online class, maths class. Today I am continuing the lesson Arithmetic Progression, session 8. In this session, I am doing your doubts. Okay. In that, first one, how many numbers of 2 digits? First question, how many numbers? How many numbers of how many numbers of 2 digits how many numbers of 2 digits are divisible by 7. Here the question may be asked in different ways. Like how many numbers of 2 digits are divisible by 5, 8, 3, 6, like that. Okay. Now how to proceed that? We know that the numbers starting from 10, 11, etc. up to 99. These are the 2-digit numbers. Now among these 2-digit numbers, we have to find out how many numbers are there between 10 to 99 which are divisible by 7. Okay, we can't take a 7 first, right? So here the numbers of 2 digit starts from what? 10 is not divisible by 7, 11 is not, 12 is not, 13 is not, then 14 is the first number. 14 is the first 2-digit number which is divisible by 7, right? Then 14, after 14, then 21, then 28, etc. Here, is it 99 divisible by 7? No. Then 98. So go on like this. Now look at this. 99, if you are divisible by 7, 7 ones are 7, 2 carry, 9, 7 fours are 28. So 1 remainder. So out of this 99, 1 is excess. So subtract that 1. So your number becomes 98. 98 is the 2-digit number which is divisible by 7. Okay. Now look at this. 98 by 7. 7 ones are 7. 2, 28. 7 fours are 28. So like this, first you should write down the AP. Clear? So solution should do like this. Understood? What they asked, you can write like this. Now in this, A, consider A as 14 and D as 21 minus 14 is equal to 7, and here AN, you should take it as 98. So once we know first term, common difference, and the last term, then what you can write? You can write A plus n minus 1 into D is equal to AN. Now substitute the values. 14 plus n minus 1 into D value is 7 equals 98. Then n minus 1 into 7 equals 98 minus 14. Then n minus 1 into 7 equals 4 and 8. 8 minus 4 is 4, 9 minus 1 is 8. Now Next, n minus 1 is equal to 84 by 7. 7 ones are 7, 12s are. Then n is equal to 12 plus 1. So n is equal to 13. So you can change the number. You can change the multiples of the given question like 5, 9, 8, 6 like that, and then find out. Therefore, there are 13 two-digit numbers are there which are multiples or which are the divisible by 7. Two-digit number which are divisible by 7 are only the 13 numbers. Clear? This is a one question. What your doubts? Clear? Now, next. So, conclusion you can write down. There are 13 numbers. There are 13 numbers of two digits which are divisible by 7. Which are divisible by 7. Clear? Now, we'll take one more. Find the number of integers. Second question. Find the number of integers. Find the number of integers between 50 and 500. 50 and 500 which are divisible by 7. In the same way, see what you are done now. In the same way, you can find out. First, you write on the AP. Now, here, this is very, very important. Between. So, between means solution 50 you should leave, and here 500 you should leave. Clear? 50 and 500 you should leave that between, they ask. Now, next is after 50 you have 51 is not divisible by 7, right? So, here recall the table 7, 14, 21, 28, 35 and then 42, 49, 56 and 63, 70. Now look at this. Find the number of integers between 50 and 500. So first number is 56. So first you write down 56, comma, go on adding a 7 to that. 56, 63, 70, etc. etc. Now 500 you are left now. Now what you can do is 500 by 7. 7 sevens are 49. 1, 0, 7 ones are 7, 3. So out of this 500, 3 is excess. So subtract that 3, then what you will get? So you will get etc. etc. 497. 497. So 497, look at that. 7 sevens are 49, 7 ones are 7. So we will get the number. So first you write down the AP like this. Then here A is equal to 56, D is equal to 63 minus 56 is equal to 7, and AN is equal to 497. Same formula, A plus N minus 1 into D equals AN. Now substitute the value. 56 plus N minus 1 into D value is 7 equals 497. Then N minus 1 into 7 equals 497 minus 56. So 7 minus 6 is 1, 9 minus 5 is 4, and this is 4. So N minus 1 into 7 is 441. Then N minus 1 is equal to 441 by 7. 7 6 are 42, 2 7 3 are 21. Then N is equal to 63 plus 1. N is equal to 64. So same conclusion you should write. Therefore, the number which are divisible by 7 from 50 to 500, how many numbers are there? There are, how many numbers are there? There are 64 numbers are there. Clear? This is a what? Number. How to find the number of integers between what they asked and the which are divisible by the numbers. Clear? Now the third question, it is like this. Is 68 is a term the AP, is a term of the AP 7, 10, 13, etc., etc. So this is the question. Now we have to find out whether this 68 is the term of this AP. Now for that, what we should find out? Remember this, if the given number is a term of that AP, then definitely N we will get a rational, that means a whole number. Okay, if N is not a whole number, if it is a fraction, then definitely the given number is not a term of that AP. So these two things, keep it in your mind and work out. Clear? Now first solution, what we can write? Write down A is equal to 7 and D is equal to 10 minus 7 is equal to 3. And here you can consider AN as 68. Right? Then N is equal to question mark. N is equal to question mark. Now A plus N minus 1 into D is equal to AN. Followed? Now substitute the value. 7 plus N minus 1 into D value is 3. Then AN is 68. Now N minus 1 into 3 is equal to 68 minus 7. Then N minus 1 equals 61. Here is 3 is there. So 3 is equal to 61. Then N minus 1 is equal to 61 divided by 3. Yeah. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? Now n is equal to 61 by 3 plus 1. Then n is equal to 61 plus 3 by 3. N is equal to 64 by 3. Is it divisible by 3? 64 is not divisible by 3. Therefore, n is not a whole number. Okay? Whole number. Therefore, so n cannot be a fraction form. You can write like that also. N cannot be fraction form. Therefore, the given term, therefore 68 is not the term, of the AP, of the given AP, Clear? Now, let us take one more example of the same kind. Is minus 150 is minus 150. This is the fourth question. Is minus 150 is a term of the AP, 11, 8, 5, 2, etc. etc. Now, same question, same type. So, what you can write is, so here is cancel this. Here is same, I think, this one. So, now, what is A? 11. B is 8 minus 11 equals minus 3. Look at that. AN is what? Minus 150. Clear? Now, formula A plus n minus 1 into D equals AN. Now, what is substitute the value? 11 plus n minus 1 into D value is minus 3. So, look at the minus sign, equals minus 150. Then n minus 1 into minus 3 equals minus 150 minus 11. So, plus 11, when you transfer this side, it becomes minus 11. Then n minus 1 into minus 3 equals minus 161. Clear? Then n minus 1 equals minus 161 by minus 3. Minus minus get cancelled. Now 161 cannot be divided by 3. Right? Then n is equal to 161 by 3 plus 1. So n is equal to 161 plus 3 by 3. Taking a LCM. 3 and 1 LCM is 3. Then n is equal to 164 by 3. Now, is it 164 divided by 3? No. 3 5s are 15. 1 carry 14. 14 will not divided by 3. Therefore, n cannot be a fraction form. Cannot be a fraction. Therefore, given minus 150 is not a term of the AP 11, 8, 5, 2, etc. etc. Clear? Now, we will take one more. Is 302 is a term of the AP. Is 302 is a term of the AP 3, 8, 13, etc. etc. So here also A is what? 3, D 8 minus 3 is 5, then AN is 302. This is question mark. Now substitute this 3 plus n minus 1 into D value is 5 equals 302. Then n minus 1 into 5 equals 302 minus 3. So n minus 1 into 5 equals how much? 299. Right? Then n minus 1 is equal to 299 by 5. 299 by 5. Right. Then n is equal to 299 by 5 plus 1. N is equal to 299 plus 5 by 5. So n is equal to 410, 304 by 5. So again 304 is not divisible by 5. Okay. Therefore n is a what? Fraction form. N cannot be a fraction form. Therefore the given term 302 is not a term of the AP. Is not a term of the given AP 3, 8, 13, etc. etc. Right. Now look at that. Two APs have the same common difference. Read the question. Two APs have the same common difference. The difference between their 100th terms is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What is the difference between their millionth term? What is the difference between their millionth term? So this is similar to your exercise problems, right? Now carefully observe this, right? Now first what you can write is, let A1 comma B1 solution let A1 and B1 are the first first terms of the two APs. First terms of the two APs. Here, first you write down like this. And D be the common difference. Common difference of each AP. Of each common difference of each AP. Clear how to write? So look at that. First you should take read the question. Two APs have the same common difference. the difference between their 100th terms. In your exercise, it may be 1000. 100 terms is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What is the difference between their millionth term? Okay. Now, let A1 and B1 are the first terms of the two APs. Let the A1 and B1 are the first two terms of the AP. And D be the common difference of each AP. Now we are taken A1 and B1. Therefore, let's write the nth term. Nth term of first AP. First AP, that you can represent AN is equal to A1 plus n minus 1 into D. Okay. Now, nth term, observe carefully, nth term of second AP, that I am writing that as Bn. Second AP is Bn, that is given by B1 plus n minus 1 into D. Now look at that, how we are taken that. Nth term of first AP, that is AN, is equal to A1 plus n minus 1 into D. Look at this. Here D is same because they are given that the common difference is same. Two APs. So this is one. Then they are given that the common difference and also the difference between their 100th terms. So difference they are asking, difference between the two APs, between the two APs, that you can write is AN minus BN, that is equal to A1 plus, you can multiply this, ND minus D, okay, minus of B1 plus ND minus D. I multiplied D, right? Then here is A1 plus ND minus D. Multiply all the terms by minus B1 minus ND plus D. Now what happens? Plus ND minus ND minus D plus D get cancelled. Therefore, here look at this, AN minus BN is equal to what? A1 minus B1. So what is the meaning of this? The difference between their nth terms. The difference between their nth terms or the difference between their first terms. Look at this. A1 and B1 are the first terms of the two APs. Therefore, here look at this. AN minus BN. Now, you have the same common difference and the difference between their 100 terms. Okay. Now, I am rubbing the question. Now, difference between the 100 terms. According to question, A100 minus B100 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here, look at this. This is what? AN minus BN. AN minus BN is equal to A1 minus B1. Clear? So, here A100 minus B100 is equal to A1 minus B1. A1 minus B1. So, here A, then millionth term, 6 zeros. A 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 minus B 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 is equal to same as A1 minus B1, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is a what? Hence the difference between their millionth term is same as the difference between their 100 terms. Even you can write down that in the same way what the questions they given in the your exercise, you can write down in the same way. Clear? This is what? Finding the 100 terms and millionth terms like this. Understood? AN minus BN is equal to A1 minus B1. Here 100 terms. In place of N, you write 100, 100. It is like this. The difference between the 100 terms is this. So compare this with the N. Same N, N. So you can write down this. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Whatever may be. Thousands, 2000s, like that. You can write down the same 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Clear? This is what? The finding the nth term of the numbers. So I will give you more questions on this. Then you can solve it. Then anything you asked the doubts, that much, no? Okay. Then the what number of terms, the nth terms from the end, we solved that also, no? Terms from the end, we are solved so many problems that. Okay, no need of that. So I will stop here and I will continue the AP next. What is that? Sum of the AP, sum of the first terms, first n terms of an arithmetic progression in the next session. Okay, now this is what the doubts what you are asked one. If you have any doubt, you can call me, right? And here just I am brush upping the formulas. What the formulas? That is nth term of an AP, that is AN is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. This is the finding the number of terms. Then from the end, what you can write? Same formula if you are using, then here is A plus n minus 1. Instead of here D, you can write minus D. But here A, you should take it as a last term. Or if you are using A n from the last is equal to L minus n minus 1 into plus D only. Plus D only. So next thing is what? Apart from this, any other formulas? So common difference, how to find? T2 minus T1, succeeding term minus preceding term. Then what we are studied the number of terms, how to take the terms. 3 terms, A minus D, a plus d. Then a minus 3d, a minus d, a plus d, and a plus 3d. Then 3, 4, 5. A minus 2d, a minus d, a plus d, then a plus 2d. Like this, you can continue a minus 5d, a minus 3d, a minus d, a plus d, a plus 3d, a plus 5d. That is the sixth term. Clear? So this is what we have learned so far, right?